supposed to be 1.33, but overall final impedance is like 1.25.
Okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Very nice. I like it, man. Oh, we're here.
Yeah, hold on 1 second. Let me call you back.
I like it, man.
Thank you.
Definitely different. I'm trying to figure out your port. Is there a port?
Yeah, this is just a regular sealed or regular ported box.
Okay. Got it.
So
nice.
This you can actually shine down in there and see some bracing.
Have you ever tried testing the lengths on it?
Yeah, I have. This is tuned to 28 hertz. It gets a little louder when it's shorter.
Yes, sir.
But
very nice. I like it.
This is where my favorite is. I like the most. So
Yeah.
it's a 13.5 cubic foot box before displacement,
Yeah.
running 5K on a sundown, and then I got 2K on the mids and highs off another sundown in the toolbox.
Okay.
This 1940s electrical disconnect repurposed that I snatched it off an old liquor store.
Yes, sir.
So
Can I see what's inside of it?
Yeah, you want to come around? You
Yeah, let me come around the other way. That looks pretty cool.
Thank you.
And you said it's on a 5,000 watt amp?
Yes, sir. You can look at the back
Okay.
right there in the toolbox.
Okay. And these are L7 or?
L715s, yes sir, 1,000 watts.
Okay. There you go. That's pretty cool. I like that.
Get just a little lower, you can see all the wires. There you go.
There you go. Nice work.
Thank you.
Looks good.
I also did a full sundown build right next to me that DJ
Good?
Ruckus
Okay,
doing.
let's check it out. So this is what is your amp wired to since it's 3 subs?
It's supposed to be 1.33, but overall final impedance is like 1.25.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vall. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. We're about to get you a 2-song demo here, so be sure if you haven't already, give him a like as well as comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. Definitely a unique style build with 3 subwoofers to make that even more unique. A single 8-inch air port facing upward. So I really like the way he has his amplifiers actually in the back of his truck. Not every vehicle is allowed to do that, but that way you don't have to deal with any kind of vibration issues. And he has a cool little amp rack staging where he has a fan to keep it cool. And as he was showing, you use a filter to actually filter the air out. That was pretty cool. He removed the aero port here to get a little bit of a shot inside the box. And the question I have for you for the question of the day is, do you use polyfill inside of your subwoofer box? So basically any type of extra added material or polyfill like this inside of your box, and why? So be sure to comment, let us know, do you use it, yes or no, and why if you do use it. Looking forward to y'all's comments. So we're going to go ahead and get to the subwoofer bass demo now. Stay tuned for more cardio videos if you haven't already by subscribing with the notification bell on, and enjoy this 2-song bass demo. He gets down pretty low. Very nice.
Let me give you a good... on that dirt road in the back parking lot. You probably want to drive. How busy?
the demo, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.